The WOW signal point. The year was 1977. A warm summer night blanketed Ohio, and at the Big Ear Radio Observatory, nestled quietly on the grounds of Ohio Wesleyan University, the night was like any other. The massive telescope scanned the stars, listening, not with eyes, but with ears, listening for whispers from the cosmos. Then it came, a signal, powerful, unnatural, alien. It lasted 72 seconds, and then it was gone, forever. Astronomer Jerry Ammon, reviewing the data by hand days later, circled the numbers with a red pen. Next to it, he scribbled a single word. Wow. Scene 1. Signal from the stars. August 15th, 1977. The Big Ear telescope was conducting a SETI scan, search for extraterrestrial intelligence, sweeping across the sky in 2-minute segments. At exactly 10:16 p.m., it captured something extraordinary. The radio burst was 30 times stronger than the background noise. It stood out as a vertical spike in a sea of silence, an anomaly not caused by stars, quasars, or any known human-made signal. Frequency 1420.456 megahertz. This was no accident. This frequency corresponds to the hydrogen line, a natural emission from hydrogen atoms, the most abundant element in the universe. Why does that matter? Because many scientists believe if extraterrestrials tried to contact us, they would use this frequency. It's universal. It's logical. It's like saying hello in the language of atoms. Scene 2. What made it so unique? Let's break down why the WOW signal stunned the scientific world. First, the signal was incredibly strong, spiking far beyond background radiation. Second, it had a clear rise and fall, indicating it moved across the telescope's field of view, just like a fixed object in space. Third, it came from deep space, not Earth, not satellites, not known interference. The signal was measured with alphanumeric codes. Each digit or letter represented increasing signal strength. This is what Jerry Ammon saw. 6EQUJ, 5A cryptic code. But one thing was clear. Nothing natural or man-made should have produced this. Scene 3. The search for a source. So where did it come from? The signal originated near the constellation Sagittarius, close to the Chi Sagittarii star group, about 220 light-years from Earth. But here's the thing. The Big Ear had 2 receivers. If the signal was truly from a celestial source, it should have been detected in both channels, within minutes of each other. It was not. It came in one and never appeared in the other. And when astronomers returned to that exact patch of sky, nothing. Silence. Total radio black. The WOW signal had vanished. Scene 4. Ruling out the ordinary. Was it a fluke? A satellite? A military broadcast? Unlikely. The WOW signal didn't match known aircraft, satellites, or ground-based interference. Even the U.S. military denied any activity in that band. The signal also matched no known natural phenomena. No pulsar, no black hole, no stellar flare, no known radio source. And remember, it was exactly at the hydrogen line, a frequency deliberately protected by international agreement to avoid interference. It seemed intentional. Scene 5. Was it alien contact? Now, let's ask the question everyone was thinking. Was this a message from another civilization? The answer, we still don't know. But many experts believe the WOW signal is the best candidate ever detected for alien contact. A moment when something, somewhere out there, whispered, and we heard it. But we didn't respond, because we didn't understand, and it never came again. Scene 6. The Theory's Theory. 1. Alien transmission. This is the most popular theory in the public imagination. An advanced civilization, possibly orbiting a distant star, transmitted a powerful beam, directed intentionally, or perhaps as part of a broadcast sweep. But if so, why only once? Why 72 seconds? Why never again? Was it a test? A signal sent long ago, finally reaching us across light years? Theory 2, Comet Confusion. In 2016, Professor Antonio Paris proposed a new explanation. Comet 266P/Christensen may have emitted hydrogen radiation as it passed near that area. Comets can produce clouds of hydrogen. Could this be the culprit? The scientific community, however, largely rejected this theory. The hydrogen emissions from comets are far too weak to produce such a powerful signal. And again, why only 72 seconds? Theory 3, Terrestrial Interference. Some speculate the signal came from Earth, perhaps a classified satellite or military burst. But this explanation fails in key ways. The frequency is protected and monitored. No terrestrial source was ever identified, and it matched celestial motion patterns. Theory 4, Natural Phenomenon. Unknown to us, could the WOW signal be a natural radio burst from a phenomenon we haven't discovered yet? A rare type of supernova? A magnetic star collision? Science often begins in mystery, but so far, we've never seen anything else quite like this. Scene 7, The Global Impact. The WOW signal became a symbol, a rallying cry for SETI researchers and dreamers alike. It inspired books, documentaries, and even messages beamed into space in reply. In 2012, a team of scientists sent a reply to the signal's origin, beaming a message encoded with 10,000 Twitter messages from around the world. It will take 44,000 years to reach any stars in the region. Scene 8, Legacy and Obsession. Jerry Eman, who first discovered the signal, never heard it again. He remained cautious. I seriously doubt the signal was from intelligent beings, he said in interviews. But it hasn't been ruled out. Since then, astronomers have scanned that region over 50 more times. No repeat, no echo, no sign. It remains a singular whisper in a vast, silent ocean. Scene 9. What if it was? Let's entertain the possibility. If the WOW signal was from an intelligent civilization, then at this very moment, 220 light years away, someone or something may be wondering if we heard them. Did their message reach its target? Will they try again? Or was it their final breath? Across the stars? A single burst, a line of numbers, a message we couldn't answer, a voice in the dark. It came from nowhere. It left no trace. It said nothing we could understand. And yet, it might be the most profound message Earth has ever received. So, if we were being spoken to on that summer night in 1977, why? Have they never spoken again?